What if I told you the Amish never struggle to keep their homes clean, never overwhelmed by clutter, never drowning in too much stuff? Their secret? It's not magic. It's not expensive organizers or fancy cleaning gadgets. It's a way of living, a way of thinking, quiet, simple, but powerful. And today, we're going to open that door. 10 secrets, straight from Amish life, to help you keep your home always organized. The natural way, the timeless way, the rustic pantry way. 1. Start with less, keep only what you need. The Amish live in a way that feels different. Quiet, calm, almost stripped down. And it all starts with less. Less furniture, less clothing, less of those just-in-case things that most of us keep hidden inside drawers and closets. Their homes look peaceful not because they clean all day, but because there isn't extra stuff lying around to begin with. That's the secret. You cannot organize chaos. You cannot create order in a place that's drowning in things. Imagine a kitchen with 20 pans and 30 plates. Too much. Now picture a kitchen with just enough for the family, nothing more. Easier, lighter. The Amish believe every object should earn its spot. If it's not used often, it doesn't belong. And that's where most of us fail. We keep broken blenders. We keep clothes that no longer fit. We keep decorations from 10 years ago because maybe one day, maybe they'll be useful. But the truth? They only take space. They take energy. The Amish cut that problem at the root. They live with only what is necessary. And that's why their homes stay organized without constant struggle. You don't need to throw everything away tomorrow, but you need to start. Open one drawer. Look at it. Ask yourself, do I need this, or do I just keep it because I feel guilty letting it go? That question will free you. 2. A place for everything, and everything in its place. There's an old Amish saying, a place for everything, and everything in its place. It's not just a pretty phrase. It's their law. In their houses, every single thing has a home. A real home, not a random drawer where it disappears. Not under the couch. Not thrown inside a closet with a promise to fix it later. No, everything is placed with intention. A hammer goes back to the same hook every single time. A bonnet is folded and placed on the same shelf. Shoes go neatly by the door, not spread across the floor. That's why they don't waste time searching. That's why their spaces look tidy even on busy days. Most of us live differently. We let things wander. Keys on the counter one day, in a bag the next. That creates disorder. It creates frustration. How many times have you lost 10 minutes looking for something you know is in the house? Too many. The Amish avoid that by setting rules for their items. And once you train yourself, it becomes automatic. The moment you're done using it, you return it. Without delay, without debate. Yes, it feels strict, but it saves energy. It saves sanity. Your home stays organized not because you cleaned, but because you never let disorder grow in the first place. 3. Functional furniture over fancy furniture. Step into an Amish living room and you'll notice something right away. The furniture doesn't scream for attention. It's not glossy. It's not overly decorated. It's simple, strong, useful. Every piece of furniture has a job. A chair is for sitting. A cabinet is for storing. A table is for working and eating. There's no excess. No bulky sofa that looks stylish but swallows the room. No decorative pieces that serve no real purpose. That's another secret of staying organized. They only keep functional furniture. And because the furniture works for them, it keeps their space uncluttered. Imagine a large wooden chest at the foot of a bed. It looks plain, but inside it, extra blankets and linens are neatly folded. That's functional. That's smart. Too many homes today are packed with furniture bought for looks, not for use. It looks good on Instagram, but it doesn't make life easier. The Amish don't follow trends. They follow purpose. And that's why their homes feel balanced. If you want order in your own house, Look at your furniture. Does it serve you, or do you serve it? If it's only taking up space, then maybe it's time to let it go. 4. Daily routines keep chaos away. The Amish don't wait for the weekend to clean. They don't let things pile up until the house looks like a battlefield. Instead, they live by routines. Morning routines, afternoon routines, evening routines, small tasks, done every day without fail. Beds are made immediately after waking up. Dishes are washed as soon as meals are over. Clothes are folded the same day, not left in baskets for weeks. This is how they stay ahead of chaos. The mess never grows. It never reaches the point where it feels impossible to handle. Compare that to modern life. Most of us keep delaying. We tell ourselves, I'll do it later, and later never comes. Or when it comes, the mess is overwhelming. So we push it again. That cycle destroys organization. The Amish avoid it by acting immediately. And the beauty is, once it becomes routine, it no longer feels like work. It becomes second nature. That's the difference. Their homes stay calm, not because they clean all day, but because they never let disorder pile up in the first place. 5. Handmade storage solutions. In Amish homes, you won't find stacks of cheap plastic bins or endless shelves from big stores. Instead, they build their own storage. Wooden chests, handmade baskets, hooks carved from wood, fabric bags sewn by hand. These storage solutions are simple, strong, made to last, and because they're built with intention, they fit perfectly in the home. There's no wasted space. There's no useless organizer that breaks after a few months. For example, an Amish family might keep a handmade basket near the door for gloves and scarves, or a small wooden box under the bed for winter blankets. Everything has a place, and that place is often built by hand. That doesn't mean you must learn woodworking, but you can borrow the idea. Choose storage that is functional and lasting, not just trendy. Think about what actually helps you, not what looks nice in a catalog. The Amish way teaches that storage isn't about hiding clutter. It's about giving everything a proper home. 6. Seasonal rotation of items. One powerful secret of Amish organization is seasonal living. They don't keep everything out at once. In the winter, thick quilts and heavy coats are in use. In summer, they are carefully cleaned, folded, and stored away. That keeps their living spaces open and uncluttered. Imagine a closet with only clothes you're actually wearing this season. Easy to manage, easy to see. That's the Amish method. Meanwhile, in many modern homes, closets are jammed year-round. Winter coats, summer dresses, old clothes, new clothes, all fighting for space. No wonder it feels overwhelming. The Amish avoid this by rotating, by respecting the seasons. And when something is stored away, it is folded neatly, labeled, and kept safe until it is needed again. It's a rhythm, a cycle, a practice of balance. You can apply it too. Don't force every item to live in your space all year. Rotate, store, give your home breathing room. Organization feels natural when you only keep what you're currently using in sight. 7. Community sharing reduces excess. The Amish don't believe everyone needs to own everything. Why would one family keep a tool that is used only once a year? Instead, they share, they borrow, they lend. This culture of community reduces clutter inside their homes. Fewer things, more space, less duplication. That's a lesson modern life often forgets. We live in a culture of buying. Every tool, every gadget, every new item that promises convenience. But how often do we actually use them? Not much. They end up in storage, collecting dust, stealing space. The Amish approach is smarter. Share with your neighbors. Swap with family. Lend what you don't use every day. Borrow what you don't need to own forever. It creates connection. It reduces waste. And it keeps your home lighter, simpler, easier to manage. 8. Repair instead of replace. When something breaks in an Amish home, it doesn't go straight to the trash. A chair with a loose leg is tightened. A shirt with a tear is stitched. A pot with a dent is hammered back into shape. Repair is the rule, not replacement. And that habit keeps clutter from building. Think about how many broken or half-working things sit in your home right now. A lamp that flickers, a drawer that sticks, a shirt with a missing button. They wait, they sit, they pile up, and they clutter the space. The Amish don't let that happen. They fix what they can, immediately. That means their homes aren't full of broken items waiting for someday. This not only saves money, but it also keeps order. Repair is discipline. It is respect for the object. It is also a way of keeping organization alive. 9. Clean as you go. Amish families don't separate cleaning from living. They clean while living. That's the difference. While cooking, they wash utensils immediately. While sewing, they fold fabrics as they finish. Before bedtime, children pick up toys, not tomorrow, but today. This prevents mess from spreading. Small tasks are done immediately. No pile-ups, no overwhelming disasters. The habit is simple. Clean as you go. But simple doesn't mean easy. Many of us avoid it because we think, I'll just do it later. Later is the enemy. Later creates clutter. Later steals peace. The Amish don't wait. They act. And because of that, their homes never fall into chaos. They look calm even on busy days. That's the secret. Don't let small mess grow into big ones. Take care of it now. 10. Simplicity creates peace. At the core of Amish organization lies one truth: simplicity. They don't chase trends. They don't chase endless shopping. They live with less. And because they have less, their homes stay organized naturally. There's no need for 10 bins, 20 shelves, 30 labels. There's no constant struggle. Simplicity solves it. It doesn't just clean the house. It calms the mind. Think about it. A cluttered home creates stress. Every extra object is another decision, another demand. But a simple home, it feels free, open, peaceful. That's the ultimate Amish secret. Simplicity itself is organization. If you want peace, start with less. End with less. Keep only what matters. That's where true order lives. And that's it. 10 secrets. Simple, but life-changing. The Amish don't waste time chasing perfection. They create peace by creating order. Less stuff, more purpose, less chaos, more calm. And you can do the same. Start small. One drawer, one room, one habit at a time. Watch how your home changes. Watch how your life feels lighter. And if you want more rustic wisdom, more simple living ideas, stay with us here at Rustic Pantry. Subscribe, share, and bring back the calm that a home is meant to have.